Dividend from domestic are exempt or taxable? This is exempt. Which are not related to business, we are supposed to exclude. Which are those? Like any provisions, any reserves, any income tax, depreciation. If you have adjustment, then only. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidyashram First Aid College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing the topic called Income Tax 2, Unit 5 as well as Session 2. In this, we are discussing the topic called Assessment of Company. Now, under Assessment of Company, as you know that we are going to discuss your company's tax liability, and whatever we are doing in today's session, it is all about your 10-mark questions. So we are not doing 15-mark questions in today's session. Simple one as well as basic problem. Next session will go with your complete 15 marks practical problems, and today we'll complete with small problem along with the concept. Your agenda is very simple. We'll go with the problems on your assessment of companies. So problem number 2, compute the total income and tax liability of Enthusiasm Company Limited for the previous year 2019 and 20 from the following information. Now, profit from business, income from long-term capital gain, rent from house property, loss from short-term capital gain, dividend from domestic company, and municipal tax, bank interest, donation, advance tax. These are the information we have. Now, so along with this, remember, just we have to find out the total income. How to find out total income? Simple. From business, you got 3,60,000. No more calculation. You can write directly. Then, income from long-term capital gain. How much you have? 10 lakh. How many heads you have? 5 heads. Salary, house property, business or profession, capital gain, and the last one, income from others. So just total of all 5. Then what is the next one? Rent from house property. See, they have not given income from house property. They have given what? Rent from house property. You are supposed to do calculations. In this, 50,000. Yes, 50,000. Then, is it proper? No. Loss from short-term capital gain 9 lakh. See, long-term capital gain you have 10 lakh profit. There is a loss of short-term capital. 10 lakh minus 9 lakh. Your capital gain is only 1 lakh. Simple. 10 lakh minus 1 lakh, your capital gain is 9 lakh. Easy. Then, after this, loss is over. Dividend from domestic company. Dividend from domestic company, exempt or taxable? This is exempt. And municipal tax, this belongs to your house property. Except house property, I am showing all the calculation here. Bank interest received. This is also income from other source. Donation to Prime Minister Draft Relief Fund. Drought Relief Fund. So remember, this is 50% eligible. Advance tax paid at the end, we will minus. Hope you are clear. All are your information. Now, I'll go one by one. Income from salary in this problem, they have not given. Income from house property, they have given 50,000. And what is the municipal tax? Municipal tax is 5,000 minus 5. It is 45,000. What is the standard deduction? 30%. So 45,000 into 30%, 13,500. This minus this, you will get 31,500. Hope you are clear. Good. 31,500 you have done. Now, after this, income from business or profession, 3,60,000. It is given directly. Next, long-term capital gain 10 lakh minus short-term loss. So it is 1 lakh. We already calculated. Dividend from domestic, exempt. Bank interest, taxable. If you add everything like nil, 31,500, 3,60,000, 1 lakh, exempt 15. You got 5,06,000 minus Your deduction of donation 50%. As I told you, 100% not eligible, only 50% eligible. So it will be what? 5 lakh 6 minus 5,000. You got 5 lakh 1,000 as your total income. Hope you are clear. This kind of problem in your examination, rarely they will ask. For the safer side, I have done one problem. Only the numbers will change, but a question will be as it is. Now, I'll go to next problem. This is actual your assessment of companies problem. Now, if you want to take screenshot of first problem, I'll go out of the screen. You can take your problem number 2, your solution part, second part of your solution. Your problem number 3 we are doing. The following particulars are furnished by Shiva Company Limited. The profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Now, so these are the informations you have. As you know that which are not related to business, we are supposed to exclude. Which are those? Like any provisions, any reserves, any income tax, depreciation. If you have adjustment, then only. Remember, anything like your personal expenses, municipal tax paid, so anything which is related to your managing director, all these are your personal thing. You are supposed to consider as disallowed item. And in this problem, office part of the your expenses, is there any adjustment? No. Part, general expenditure is a part, advertisement is a part, depreciation. Do we have any adjustment for this question? No adjustment. So we don't take depreciation. Excise duty, it is also part of your business. Remember, VAT, excise duty, GST, everything is part of your business. Municipal tax, disallowed. Fine and penalty, disallowed. Director fees, part. Donation, disallowed. Loss by embezzlement by cash, it happens in the business, so we don't consider. Donation to political party, disallowed. Damages paid for wrongful dismissal, it is disallowed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called as disallowed item. These are the item you are supposed to add. You have to start your problem with what? Net profit. Yes, net profit is how much? 1,50,000. For this, add this. Which are the things you are supposed to add? Municipal tax, fine and penalty, donation to political party, damages. Depreciation we have not taken. Why? Because we don't have adjustment. Now, in this, which are not related to business, gross profit, part of the business, income from house, yes, premium on issue of shares, yes. These are the 2 things you are supposed to minus. These are the 5 things you are supposed to add. That's it. Now, see, your net profit, 1,50,000, yes. Then, along with that, municipal tax, fine and penalty, donation to political party, damages for wrongful activity. Now, if you add everything, you will get around 77. So, 2,27,000 minus what? 2 things are there, 1,50,000 and 1,04,000. One is income from house profit and premium issue of shares. Whatever is there on the credit side, other than your business income, you are supposed to add. Whatever is there in the debit side, other than business related expenses, you are supposed to add, and this is you are supposed to minus. So this is your answer. I'll go back to your question. As I told you, these are the simple problem. Like this, you may get in your examination, but not sure. Next session will go with your question paper problem. Your problem number 3. This is your question part, your solution part, your continuation of solution. Now, once you're done with this, what is your total income? 1,03,000 is your total income. What is the tax for company? 30%. 1,03,000 into 30%, it is 30,900. And what is the education says? 4%. 30,900 into 4%, 1,236. And your answer is 32,136, tax liability. So, We're done with your today's session. It is just basic problems actually, so that you will understand what are the things has to be added, what are the things has to be deducted. In the next session, we'll go exactly with your question paper problem. So please work out at your home. Thank you.